Hello everyone. So, have you ever cleaned your room before guests arrives? First you gather everything lying around and then you clean and organize it. And finally you put everything in the right place. So congratulations, you just performed ETL. Today I'll explain the ETL process in the simplest way possible with examples and quick diagram. So let us go. What is ETL? ETL stands for Extract, Transform and Load. It is a process used in data warehousing to move data from multiple sources into a single organized storage. Let us take an example. Imagine you run a small business. Your sales comes from Amazon, Flipkart or maybe any online offline shop. All these creates data, but in different formats, different files, different structures. To analyze everything together, you must collect, clean and store it in one place. That's what exactly ETL does. So let us start with the first step, extract. Extract means pulling data out from various sources. Sources could be databases, websites, Excel files, APIs, CRM tools, etc. Let us take an example. Let's say your Amazon sales comes in a CSV file. Your Flipkart sales comes from an API and offline sales are stored in Excel. Extraction collect all this raw data and bring it into one staging area. That's what extract step does. Moving to the next step, that is transform. Now comes the most important part, transform. Here we clean and prepare the data so it beautifully comes useful. Common transformation operations are removing duplicates, handling missing values, converting formats, combining multiple data sources, calculating new columns, changing text formats like small m to capital M, etc. Let us take an example. Amazon and Flipkart may use order date, like here this order date, and Flipkart use O date. These two categories are different in structure looking by the view. You convert them into one common format, let us say date. So this is the date format for Amazon, this is the date format for Flipkart, and we combine the data and put it in the common format known as date field. So similarly, price format variations, such as if prices are stored in the form of this rupees to 1200, or sometimes it is stored as 1200 INR, but we convert this structure everything into one common format so that everything comes into clean image. Think of transform like cleaning vegetables before cooking. You remove the bad parts, wash everything and cut them into proper shapes. So this is what a transform looks like. Moving on to the third step, that is load. Finally, we load the cleaned and transformed data into a data warehouse. Load can be of two types. Full load, where we load everything from the scratch. And the second one is incremental load. The load which only stores or load the new and changed data. Only altered data is stored. Let us take an example. Every night at 12 am only new sale entries are inserted into your warehouse. This saves times and resources. So this is what the load part does. Moving on, this is the complete flow of ETL. ETL shows the three steps: extract, where we work with the database, files and APIs, and then we have transform, where we clean the data, we standardize the data, and then the last part is load. We store the data into the data warehouse. So this is the complete flow of ETL process. Let us take an example, a real life example. Imagine you are running a bakery business. You track your sales through a POS machine, or we can say you receive WhatsApp orders, you receive Zomato orders. To answer questions like how many cupcakes are sold this month, or we can say which items gives highest profit, you must combine all three sources into a single unit. So ETL helps us to create one clean data set where everything is consistent. Now our business decisions becomes easier and smarter. So this is the whole structure of ETL process. I hope you enjoyed this simple explanation. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe and continue watching our data mining series. See you in the next video. Thank you.